What can we do? We'll get in trouble with the government. My goodness, you don't want to get in trouble with the government, do you?
Oh my God, I want the
Now, what are
mic.
we going to do with these CNT salads?
No, I just want the microwave. Oh, my people got, oh, Miss Woods, my people got knocked over, Miss Woods.
What?
My people got knocked over.
What knocked over? Want me to put this in for you?
Just want the
What's that?
microwave. I just want,
Oh, a little train.
I just want the microwave.
Have you been on a train before, Rose?
No. I just want the microwave. I just want the microwave.
Oh, I know you don't, honey, but we're only allowed to have one in every classroom.
Oh, yeah, that is the government policy.